Hi guys, so today we're gonna be doing direct integration. Um, so the first question says, solve the following differential equation. So as you can see, I wanna show you the difference between a homogeneous and a direct integration. So there's three of them basically. There's homogeneous, there's exact differential equation, and there's also a direct integration. So I'm gonna break it down. So homogeneous differential equation, it's when you have got pxy over qxy. What I mean by this, it's when you've got a mixed functions. So you'll have maybe x squared plus y squared is equals to, maybe this one is multiplied by dy, then is equals to xy. So this you cannot use a direct integration, because a direct integration it's like when you've got x dx is equals to y dy. So they are already grouped. It's not a mixed function. So this one, a homogeneous has got a mixed functions, and also the most important thing to consider when you do a homogeneous equation is the exponents. So you check the highest degree of exponent. The highest degree of exponent is x squared or ny squared. So even this ones, they will give you a squared because it's 1 and 1, which is squared. So they must have the same degree. So this one, same degree of exponents. And also, they are mixed functions. So they've got x and y. So that's homogeneous. And then exact differential equation. Exact, I'll just write differ. Exact differential equation, it's more like a homogeneous equation, but they don't have the same degree. They are also mixed functions, but not the same degree. So you'll have x squared plus y cubed dy is equals to xy, and then xy dx. So the exact differential equation, you must have the differentiation of this side. They normally say it's m, and then this side they normally say it's n. So when you differentiate the m and the n, they must be equal. So the m and the n, they must be equal when you differentiate them. We'll get to that on another session. So they don't have the same degree of exponents, but it's a mixed function, not same degree, but mixed function. You have got x and y mixed. Then for direct integration, direct means you don't have to do anything. Direct integration, you just have to group the like terms. You have to just group them. Direct integration is when you've got this x dx is equals to y dy. So you just have to integrate it directly. Okay, that's all. That's the introduction, guys. So we're gonna get straight to the actual question. Let me not erase this. Let me leave it for now. Okay, so let me take this to the so let's solve this question. So as you can see, the reason why I'm saying it's a direct integration, you see it doesn't have a mixed functions. Doesn't have a mixed function, just that you have to group the like terms. So you have to take dy to the dy side, to the y side, and the x to the x values. Okay, So we're gonna say dy divided by 1 plus y squared, you see. Then you say dx divided by 1 plus x squared. So you cannot have dx as a denominator because you can't integrate this. So dx or dy, doesn't matter. It must always be a numerator like this. This you can integrate. Let's make this x so that can make sense. This you can integrate. So it must always be a numerator. Okay. Then now let's integrate on both sides. Integrate. So when you integrate the left hand side, might be difficult, so you have to simplify it first. So you have to say 1 plus y to the power minus 2 dy. You can do that. Is equals to, then this side, see this side, remember the integration of 1 over 1 plus, you see this, f of x squared, f prime here at the top, dx. You see this is equals to arctan of f of x times 1 over f prime. Remember to always multiply by 1 over f prime. The f prime that you put there is this one, the differentiation of that. Okay, so you have to put that. You have to put it there. So we know that if this one is our f prime, the top one must be, if this one is our f of x, the top one must be our f prime. So look at this. This, when you differentiate, you're gonna get 2x there. You see, it's the same. Remember I told you, you don't have to integrate to differentiate the whole thing. You're only gonna focus on this x, not x squared. So when you only focus on x, you're gonna get a 1. Differentiation of x only is 1. They told you that this format, you check your formula sheet, you'll see this equation. So what is our f of x? Let's write it down. Our f of x is equals to x, not x squared. You see, it's open bracket f of x close bracket squared. So our f of x is what is inside there, this. So when you do the f prime, you're gonna get a 1, so which is the same as the original f prime. So I always say keep the old f prime, the original one, keep it there so that it can cancel with the new one. So what I mean is the old one, this one is the one that is at the top there, which is 1. Here you've got a 1, then the new one is this one, and then it's that one, the new one. You can use the U method if you want. Okay, so here you're gonna have arctan of x plus c. So that's the integration of dx over 1 plus x squared. Then let's do the left hand side. Okay, so the left hand side, we're gonna say, let's write it down. So you've got integration of dy over 1 plus y squared. Okay, all squared. So here you're gonna say, let's do this. So here you're gonna say, write this as 1 plus y to the power minus 2 dy. So you're gonna integrate this as if you're doing a standard form. You're gonna do it like this, which will give you ax to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. So you're gonna use this formula. So here you'll have 1 plus y to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, okay, times 1 over, remember when you do this you have to always multiply by the f prime. So our f of x is this one. That's your f of x. So you multiply by the f prime, you'll get 1, because when you differentiate 1 plus y, you'll get a 1. So this will be equals to minus 1 over 2 into 1 minus 1 over 1, sorry, minus 1 over 1, because here you'll get a minus 1. 1 plus y to the power minus 1. So your final answer will be minus 1 over 1 plus y. So your final answer will be equals to, so let's write the final answer. So the final answer will be equals to minus 1 over 1 plus y plus arctan of equal sign there, arctan of f of x, which is x plus c. So this will be your answer when you do the direct integration. If you've got any question, please let me know, guys. Don't hesitate to comment. I'll leave my contact details. You can send me a WhatsApp text, and also please do join our online sessions every Tuesday at 7:30. Thank you for watching.